Hello everyone, welcome back to AshProsperity. Today we are diving into the intriguing world of banking, where Citizen Financial Group is making headlines with its ambitious move inspired by a recent downfall of First Republic Bank. It's a story of rebuilding, learning from past, and chasing success. Let's get into it. In the aftermath of one of the largest bank failure in history, Citizen Financial Group, based in Providence, is seizing an opportunity. They've launched a new private bank and strategy is bold. They're hiring top talent from now collapsed First Republic Bank. According to the Brandon Coughlin, Citizens consumer banking head, the goal is clear: to build a preeminent private bank in United States for high net worth individuals. A lofty ambition, but they've scooped up the very best talent from First Republic to achieve it. In competitive landscape where banks are in arms race for affluent customers, the challenge is real. The collapse of First Republic Bank sent shockwaves, and now regional banks like Citizen are trying to find their footing. Let's explore how they plan to thrive in this ever-evolving environment. For Citizens, stakes are high, with the shares down 32% this year and profit taking a hit. The pressure is on. Bank is entering an arena where bigger players have a head start, and a wealth unit is relatively small, but they're determined to make their mark. First Republic Bank's model was attractive, offering a bureaucracy-free banking experience and low rates on loan. However, it faced challenges when interest rate rose. Citizen planned to learn from this, cherry-picking the successful aspects while leaving some behind. CEO Bruce Van Sons acknowledged the challenge, stating it's not for faint-hearted, it's competitive market. Indeed, the battle for wealthy clients required not just strategy but resilience. They has made strategic hires, bringing on about 60 top bankers and 100 support staff from First Republic. These professionals were the main point of contact for clients, and now they are the key players in Citizens' ambitious plan. Suzanne Detroit, head of private bank at Citizens and former deputy chief credit officer at First Republic, expresses confidence in new team. With increased deposit limits and simplified processes, Citizens aim to make a mark in private banking space. While the transaction has garnered positive feedback from clients, there's a gripe: technology. Some clients find the bank's website less than optimal, a reminder that in the digital age, technology plays a crucial role in client satisfaction. Still, the question remains: can they truly emulate the success of First Republic while navigating the challenges of today's banking landscape? It's a story we'll be following closely. This is Ashir from AshProsperity signing off. Stay informed, stay empowered.